Hello everyone, today I will show you how to duplicate an entire sheet in Google Sheets. And here's how it's done. Method 1. Duplicate in the same file. At the bottom of your Google Sheets window, find the tab of the sheet you want to copy. Right-click or Control-click on Map and select Duplicate. A new sheet will appear with copy in its name, keeping all data, formatting, and formulas intact. Perfect for editing without affecting the original. Method 2. Copy to another spreadsheet. Right-click the Sheet tab. Choose Copy to, then pick New Spreadsheet or Existing Spreadsheet. If you choose New, Google Sheets creates a separate file in your drive. For Existing, just select the file you want, and your sheet will be added there. Method 3. Copy the entire file. Go to File, make a copy, rename the file, choose a save location, and you'll have a complete duplicate with all sheets and settings. And that is everything you need to know about how to duplicate an entire sheet in Google Sheets. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.